All right, turning to weather now. It is crazy. It's been crazy. It's been raining, and more rain.
Exactly. This whole year has been crazy with our weather. We need a break from all of this, but yes, we are still dealing with impacts from our first tropical storm of the season. Of course, the name Tropical Storm Alberto, and we actually still have tropical storm warnings for coastal Brazoria, Matagorda, and Jackson counties. Coastal flooding has been fairly significant in many locations just south of Houston, so definitely be careful out there. A lot of beaches, bay communities, even parts of the ship channel dealing with that coastal flooding. Here's the good news. I think conditions will gradually improve as we go through the day tomorrow. The reason: Tropical Storm Alberto is going to make landfall in eastern Mexico early tomorrow morning and quickly weaken, so it will take most of that heavy rain and strong wind with it, and I do think that things will start to get better. But we've got to get through tonight and tomorrow morning. At this point, the majority of that heavy rain that was battering us earlier has pushed out. We've got a few tiny downpours near Tascasita and over towards Anahuac, but we do still have a coastal flood warning, which now has been extended until 7 p.m. tomorrow, because it's going to take a while for those floodwaters to kind of recede and for things to improve. At least we're getting a break from the super widespread heavy rain. Like I said, a downpour over towards the Anahuac area, Clover Leaf, and also up towards the Tascasita, getting some rainfall there, but we are going to be dealing with the potential for more rain overnight. Up towards Cameron, College Station, a little bit of rain showing up there, but nothing that is going to lead to tremendous amounts of flooding, because these showers and storms are moving through fairly quickly. 24-hour rainfall will show you close to 4 inches towards the coast, down towards Galveston, Lake Jackson, Bay City. A lot of rain, and of course we had that easterly wind pushing that water onshore, causing the coastal flooding, and we had 4 inches of rain falling from the sky, so definitely a big flood threat there. Around 2 inches of rain for Houston and close to 3 inches of rain up around Brenham and Belleville. So definitely we've picked up some rain. We're going to get a break here and there tonight and tomorrow, but we still have to watch out for maybe 1 or 2 of these storms that could potentially produce a brief spin up, maybe a brief weak tornado. There is a tornado watch through 7 a.m. just for a couple of our southwestern counties. That would include Edna, Bay City, Palacios, and down towards Port Lavaca. The chance for this happening is very low, but of course we are monitoring that threat closely. A 2% tornado risk within 25 miles of a location. So not much of a risk, but still we will track it and watch it for you. As far as the rain, we will continue to deal with the potential for more of that heavy rain here and there, although gradually I do think we will start to see the rain become less widespread as we go through Thursday. Wind will also start to come down a little bit, and we will start to see things improve for tomorrow, but right now that is not happening. We've still got a gust around 40 to 45 miles per hour in Galveston, so that wind advisory continues through tomorrow as well, through tomorrow morning. So here's what Futurecast is showing. Not much happening around 11:30, midnight, just some isolated downpours near Houston, but notice Futurecast brings in another batch of heavy rain, maybe a few storms around 3 a.m. down around Palacios and Edna, Port Lavaca, and then just scattered activity with that tropical air mass sticking around through tomorrow afternoon and evening. So you could see for that drive home tomorrow, some spotty downpours a possibility. Here's the good news though. Summer begins tomorrow. Maybe you have some beach time, pool time planned for this weekend. Things are looking a lot better. Just a 20% chance for rain Saturday, 30% chance for Sunday, but we will have to watch the Gulf. Next week in the southwestern Gulf, there's a 30% chance for more tropical development, and that could bump up those rain chances by the middle and end of next week. So something that we will watch closely, and of course if we see something happening that may impact us, we'll let you know.